Hey everyone, I'm Ali Abuzlam, founder and CEO of B-Nails, and this is Dabbing 101, how to get started dabbing. Today we will discuss the best ways to get started dabbing, whether you plan to dab at home or on the go. The first method that was almost always involved when dabbing made its revolutionary debut was the torch method. Now, the best way to dab with the torch is to throw it in the fucking trash can and never use a torch again. Here is why. Torches are dangerous with an open flame. They waste your concentrates due to inaccurate and inconsistent temperatures. They are not cost effective and very annoying with constant butane refills. And you look like a crackhead. Now that we have that out of the way, let's discuss why you should always use a vaporizer, not a torch. The standard dabbing tool to use while at home is the electric nail, the e-nail. E-nails are electric heating devices powered by a digital temperature control box that heats a coil that wraps around a titanium, ceramic, or quartz nail. Your nail is attached to your dab rig or water pipe. You set your desired temperature on the e-nail and then you use a dab tool to scoop your dab up and drop it onto the nail that the coil is wrapped around. Here we have the industry exclusive Trinity nail, which allows you to try all three of the primary dabbing elements: titanium, ceramic, and quartz, all in one. This method of using an e-nail is the closest thing to the torch method, except it's much safer, healthier, cost-effective, and you don't look like a crackhead. Again, in order to get started dabbing at home, you need an e-nail, a nail, dab tool, and a rig. The primary method to dab on the go is to use a portable vaporizer, also referred to as vape pens or dab pens. These are perfect tools to dab on the go. Dab pens are made up of a battery, an atomizer, and a mouthpiece. The atomizer is the chamber you load your dabs into, and they are mostly made up of titanium, quartz, or ceramic, just like the nails that you would use for your e-nail. After you load the atomizer and secure your mouthpiece, you activate your battery to heat the atomizer chamber and you're ready to dab. As you can see here, there are many different types of vaporizer technologies today, and you can get them anywhere from $30 to $350. For more information about e-nails or portable vaporizers, reach out to our team of dedicated worker bees at bnails.com. We are here to help you. Thanks for tuning in and be your best.